Hi guys, good evening.
Good evening, Kavitha. Good morning, Chris. Good evening, Pooja.
Good evening to you guys.
So Chris, you have some concerns, right? So can you share
Yeah,
your
yeah.
screen?
Okay. 1 second. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, Chris.
All right. So I have this issue that I created. So I created this group, the management, IT management. As let me just go to 1 second. Let me go to manage permission. Manage permission group. Okay. So this is the group I created under permission, IT management, IT managers _C. So under this group, I have this associate IT as the only person in the group. Now, when I go to permission rule, and give this IT manager the permission only to view user's profile. But when I proxy using this this person, so this is the IT manager. He was the only person on the group. So when I proxy to his account, now when I open customers in any user profile, this IT manager can equally do some changes. So let me go to Roberto. So this was my concern. So I gave this IT manager the access only to view personal data, and then like contact information, all this information only to view. But when I proxy this person can still do some changes. So that was my concern. Now, my question now was, how can I change, or how can I delete some of the permission from different groups, some of the permission from different groups to which this IT manager have. So that's my
So
concern.
to become self.
Okay. So,
Click on view permissions. Type view permissions.
sure. Okay. Yeah.
Click on that.
Yeah. So there's a lot of information. So I mean, which one do I understand? Which one is granted and which one is not granted from here?
See, this many groups are available. Okay. If you see here, first if you want to take user login permission is coming from self-service, HR admin group, all employee search login group, SLM group, SAP SFRBP, stop here, SAP. See, this many from this many groups, this person is getting the permission. So
Like
what
from
we
here,
have to do?
from here, right?
Hmm.
So these are the groups I'm talking about.
Hmm.
I'm saying that so user login and so these are the permission that the user, this user have from have, right?
In for this particular user, from this many roles, the permissions are getting. Okay. So to get the exact result, what we have to do is we have to delete that person from all these roles. If you scroll down, if you just scroll down the mouse, you see lot of roles. Okay. So what we have to do is to get that one, we have to delete that person from the particular role. Okay. So as it is a demo system, we cannot make all the changes at a time, right? So that's the
Right.
reason, no problem. So you should understand the process. See, in the real time. If this issue happens, 5 minutes, I tell you. If this issue happens, then you have to remove that particular permission from that particular role, from that role, so that that person can able to you edit whatever you do. I pen, 5 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
you understood, Chris?
Yeah, understood.
Hmm.
So these are the permission that this user have, right? So Daniel have all this permission.
Yes, yes.
Now, from on the left, on the right side. So
Hmm.
this what all this? What are these?
These are the rules only from where Daniel is getting the permissions.
Okay, okay,
Hmm.
got it.
So these are the roles and those right hand sides are permission from where the Daniel is getting permissions. So if we want a better result, what we have to do is we have to remove the Daniel from all these particular groups from whatever the role you are seeing, then the Daniel will able to do the transaction whatever you have given.
All right. So how do we remove? I understand that we cannot. This is a demo system. We cannot remove it. So how do we remove that?
Okay, you click on one box there, employee service, go to one box, one. No, don't do that. Just click on that permission role down.
So road like this.
Mm. So you can see box icon. Yeah, click on that.
Okay.
So assignments, just click on assignment. Okay,
Okay.
so in this role, the Daniel is available. So we have to find out this role now. Role assignment 0123. Just copy that one.
Click open here.
Now you can open.
Say copy the copy like this. Oh,
No,
open.
no, it will open directly. You just click on
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Okay. Now come down. Just click on target population. Just copy that role name. Actually, this is a newest version. What is the role name?
This
Go back,
is
go back, and just close this. Huh. Mm. Employee self-service. No? No. Go to manage permission role.
so.
Don't close. Go to manage permission role. I will show you. Wait, you will get confused. Let me open. Okay, this you have to check first from where Daniel is getting permission. So for that one, you have to go to view permission, or you can create a report that what are the permissions are available with Daniel. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just search his name. So what's his name? Full name.
COSS.
Huh.
COSS. Last name COSS. COS. Yep.
Check this one. So
Yeah.
now you can check the permission like this, or as mentioned, you can see the report. Guys, what we are trying to do is, see, Chris has created one permission for one person, but expected result for Chris is he only gave view permission, but that person is also able to do the edit, create, delete everything. So to resolve that one, we saw the permissions of Daniel Cost, and here if you see the right hand side is the permissions what and all the Daniel Cost has, and the right hand side, sorry, left hand side has permission, and the right hand side from where and all he is getting the permissions. So as it is a demo system, we can expect all these groups, if this many groups are available
No,
in
we
the
are not
system.
able to see Kavitha. Are you sharing screen?
Yes, no one is able to see, or you only.
No, I'm not able to see.
Others,
No, we are able to
Yes.
see. Yeah, we are
Yes.
able to see.
So we can see Kavitha.
I can see.
Okay.
maybe network issue, Karthik, just check that. So now
Sure.
we
Thank you.
have to find out this permission role. Okay. Employee self-service. Okay, I'm just explaining you one example. Employee self-service. So where you have to go to manage permission role. In manage permission role, you have to find out that permission. Okay. Employee self-service. Just copy this. You're hearing any background noise?
No.
Uh, just search for this one. Control Control C. Employee self-service. Employee self-service. Here it is. Employee self-service. Just a moment. employee profiling. Just click on this one. Now you have to check the assignments to whomever this role is granted. Okay, so this role is granted to everyone, access population. You have to just click on edit. You are able to see.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Edit. Now grant access. It is from everyone. Everyone. So you have to remove that person from everyone group. Okay, this is the group. Everyone. Now everyone means everyone will come in that group. So how you can remove that one?
To exclude.
Exclude. No, no. One user we cannot exclude from here as you have already mentioned the everyone. So what we will do in the real time, we will create one particular group for the everyone and we will exclude that person from the group. So where we can do is we can do in the manage permission group. So similarly, let me take another one. HR admin for employees. Okay, let us take this one. HR admin for employees. So this help me with that now. HR admin for employees. Okay, just edit. Click on this assignments. So now you can see access population is HR admin UK. This many people are there, and target population is again everyone.
Everyone.
Okay. So what in the real time this will not work actually. So access population means we will give certain people. Target population means we will give certain people. And if we want to remove anyone, then we will be just removing those people by going through the suppose this is the group, okay, by going to manage permission group. So you are still not able to hear anything from my end because I'm sitting in a very crowded area.
We can hear
Hello?
Kavitha.
Means
Yeah, we can
your
hear your voice. That's all. We don't have any noise issue.
oh, I think my headphones are noise cancellation.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was that group name? HR admin CN. I don't know whether they have removed. HR admin. It is there. Okay. So just click on this one. Now in this HR admin CN, you can see the people, 10 members. In this 10 members, whom you want to remove. Suppose you want to remove Sophia. Okay. Then you just come down. This is a people category. And if you want to exclude anyone, then you can use the user here. Then we can mention Sophia name. So what was that? Sophia Fong or Anderson?
Yeah,
Finished. And update. Now Sophia Fong is removed from this particular group. Okay. And now you have to refresh completely this groups and then role wherever this HR admin CN is available. Then that particular will be person will be removed from that group and he she cannot have the access. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the same process, and one important process for this one is, as you can't remove everyone from demo, not only demo, in the real time also some of the cases will be there. So what you have to do, you have to create a report. How to create a report we will be seeing in the last. And in the report you can see that, okay, for this particular person from which and all group he is getting the permission. Like this it is difficult, right? Roles. In the report you can see easily and you can find out, okay, this is the role. Who is the access person? Okay, you have to first find out the role, then access population, then target population, and this access population target population will be in the permission group. So you have to find out the name here and you have to remove from here and refresh that one. That's it. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
Okay. So RBP you only got, right, all 5 examples
What is that?
for tomorrow's exercise. Tomorrow you have presentation, no?
No,
Um,
today, which is today, right?
Today upgrade presentation.
Yeah.
Guys, all of you clear what I was explaining?
Yes.
Now, today, as mentioned, it is a upgrades and release presentation. First of all, you have to explain what is upgrade, what is release, what are the new changes happened in the 1H 2025, and then give the presentation. Whoever prepared that one. You didn't give the if you didn't prepare the presentation, then just go through the document of what's new 1H 2025 and explain the features what you understood from that. Clear?
Sure.
Okay then. I'm just going on mute. You can start.
Shall I start, Karthik?
Go around because I don't have a lot of moving forward. It's really tough times now. So
Same,
yeah,
same,
go
same
ahead.
here.
I'll support.
Same here because the topic which we both discussed and have selected, um, I have given my best in understanding the steps.
No, I'm saying that I don't have laptop at the moment. I think he left the. Yeah,
Can you hear me, Karthik? Hello, guys. Karthik, are you
yes,
there?
Ram. Yes, Ram. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You're able to share.
Instead of clicking share, I clicked leave the meeting. Sorry for that. Okay, now
Okay.
I'm sharing. Hope you can see the screen.
Yes, Ram.
Yes. Guys, here welcome to the help portal so that where we can find the latest upgrades or latest news what we have in SuccessFactor Employee Central. Okay, and also this usually the upgrades will come in the mid of March and also in the mid of November. in annually twice. It happens twice. One in March and second review or any updates happening means it comes in November. These are the 2 months where we can find the updates. Okay, and yes, March we can see here March. That's first we'll say 1H and 2H means it's in November. Okay, now I have taken the topic of role-based permission. Enhancements in role-based permissions for Employee Central. Okay, here what they are saying is role-based permission is now validated for all HRIS entities, human resource information and entities during employee data import to ensure that import is performed for the users within the target population of the logged in user. Okay, here what it's telling. Let me open the roles here first. Yeah, it's role-based permission. What inputs, what new things happening in role-based permissions? Okay, for Employee Central import entities, we can see that. Okay, here we have renamed and reorganized a few permissions on the Employee Central import settings and Employee Central import entities pages. Okay, we'll see that in the administrator permissions and user permissions sections. The changes on this Employee Central import settings and Employee Central import entities pages are as follows. What they are saying is the Employee Central import entities page is now available in administration permission session. Usually till now also we can see this in user permissions in permission roles. And if we click on permissions, then we are seeing Employee Central import entities in where, for example, if you are taking system admin, now if I click on permissions, here user permissions we can see user permissions and administrator permissions. See here in user permissions, see Employee Central import entities. This is the permission of Employee Central. Okay, Employee Central modules permission. What they are saying is this Employee Central import entities, this will come under administrator permissions. That's what they are saying. In administrator permissions, we have Employee Central import settings. Now Employee Central import entities will come under administrator permissions. This will come when it will come. When in the sense it will come another 2-3 days left, 16th of this month. Okay, I'll notice this. I'll keep eye on this. what they're saying, Employee Central entities will come under administrative permissions. Now it's in user permissions. Okay, that's what they're saying. Employee Central import entity page is now available in administration sessions. That will come under administrative permission. The super cumulative update of country region specific data for global information import in full purge mode permission on the Employee Central import setting page. This this is a function. This function will rename as cumulative update of global information. What they're saying, support cumulative update of country specific data for global information import. To import global information, this name gonna change to cumulative update of global information. Okay, this will happen again. We have to wait another 3-4 days. That gonna reflect in the system. Here, where exactly is that? Here, Employee Central. This entity, this will come, this model, this permission, this role should come in administrative permission. That's what they're telling. Now it's looking like this. And here, if we go here, in administrative permissions, if we go to here in employee administrative permissions, we'll see Employee Central import settings. Here, what they're saying, where it went, yeah, here they're saying that if we come down, this support cumulative update of country, religion specific data for global information import in the full purge mode. This will rename to this cumulative update of global information. These two things are happening in 16. From 16th onwards, these two things are happening. Okay, that's what I understood. And what changed it? You can see here, currently it's like here, these things will happen. Okay, in administration permission, we can see settings, and we can see also entities. Now entity is in user permission. Okay, from 16th onwards, it will come here. Okay, to administration center, and here also. And now it looks like this, the entities. And see here, the cumulative update of global information. It reflects like this. Okay, from 16th onwards. Now we can see it's like here. Okay, it's looking like this. it's like this, but after 16th, we can see these changes. Okay, currently it looks like this. Okay, currently in my system it's looking like this. After 16th, it'll come like this. Okay, and technical details, we can see this Employee Central here. If we click on this valid as of, we'll come to know what exactly valid as of product data. The valid of the metadata tells us when the change is active. Okay, when these changes are active on this date, 16th. Okay, we can see few of the modifications. That's it. Then we have to wait and see, and we have to implement, or we have to upgrade our knowledge. That's it. Instead of searching Employee Central import entity in user permissions, we can find in administrator permissions. That's it, guys, from my end. Thank you. Karthik,
Yes, yes, I'm good. Good.
is that correct?
And tell that to yes, 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 you're right.
Okay.
It.
And also, Karthik, I have a doubt here. Okay, and for Kavitha as well. What's the difference between like as we see like the Employee Central entity was in user permission, and now from 16th onwards, we are getting in administration permission. So what's the difference here?
So they are changing into the segment. That's it. They're moving
Segment.
into administration part. Yes, yes. They are,
Yes.
see, there are the functionality will not change. They're just
Okay.
renamed the. See, they are just moving that particular functionality into the another one, another segment. That's it. They are making that into the administration one, not into the user point.
Okay. Okay. And
Maybe
and and
this.
and maybe like as an administrator for us, it will be helpful, I think. Okay, we'll get complete ownership on that model. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay.
See, it's not like the complete ownership. See, as I told before, in this change, there is no functionality change. Okay, they are just moving from one segment to another one is like administrator part. The
Mhm.
functionality will be same only. Okay, that is what here in this change, there is no configuration required at the back end. It is automatically on. As Kavita said, if there is anything like, a, um, a text change or label change, if anything to be the look and feel change, in that part, there is configuration is not required. Okay, so it will be automatically on. So same way, this change also like that, like it will be automatically on. So functionality will not change. It is just changing the segment. It is under now administration. That's it.
Okay. Thank you
It will
for that.
not impact any functionality. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Guys, anyone ready to share? Pooja, Chris, I think Rohit and will not
I
able to
have,
say. I know that.
I'm not prepared.
No, Karthik, I did not prepare on this.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I have just now I've been learning according to this, and I'll try to project this one. Just share. I'll try to share. If any, wrong info which have been projection, which I'm saying, just correct me here. Okay. So
Sure.
the thing is like this is the one. People, you can hear, you can see the screen,
Yes,
right?
yes, 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 yes.
Great. So this is about
Go
the
ahead.
enhancement of data viewing in few full profile. So actually, this is according to the customer configuration, not directly built by SAP. So it is an Employee Central product and user experience, as we've been saying about the user profile and all. So and enablement will be a customer configured, not directly. It's got upgraded. So what's that update which been have is like so login name. So when we are getting the username, directly like an Shashank or I mean Karthik and all. So they're having a unique login name or person ID. So here you can have the description like usernames instead of your login names are displayed on the legacy people profile. To learn about the differentiation, a person login can be now be displayed on the profile preview and full profile. So to view and login names, you must have the login name user permission under the account data permission category. So when I just gone to this Akash, so there will be a person ID which will be a unique thing. And if we wanna log in into this, we need to have that login name and user permission under this account data. So this is the update which will happen. And the second thing which is on this data viewing one few full profile is like alumni indicator. So if that person who's been went off, I mean from the that company, and we are going to log in that candidate. So there will be an update here that he's an alumni, and right now the profile is not an update, it's not using and all. So I mean he's not using or he been left the company. So here we can see this alumni users are identifiable alumni indicator on their profile preview and full profile. So you can get this one. See, I think, yeah. See here you can see this update. So we can here get this update here as an alumni indicator, and that particular candidate has been left the company a few days back ago. And what about the employee indicator? See, this employee indicator, this one I'm not able to understand. Contingent workers are identified by a contingent worker indicator on this full profile. I think employee indicator is like the consultant people. So contingent workers can be have this particular profile. Preview like he's a contingent worker, and the SAP consultants or any other people can be have this view profile as a contingent worker. And about this employment status as well. So if the employment is inactive,
Kavitha,
yeah.
sorry to interrupt. So contingent worker is not for the consultant. Contingent worker, that is different. They call it external employees. That is called a contingent worker
Sorry.
from contingent workers. External employees.
So extended employees.
External employees are called contingent
Yeah,
workers.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
mean. I think that's what we are not included for the company, right?
Yes, yes, that
So
they will not be in a part of one. Yes, they are also in part of the company, but they are external people,
yeah, see,
external
the
employees.
people who been, yeah, the people who we as a corporate trainees or the consultant people or a SAP consultant people, they will come to this company and they'll be working for this employee for this client for an temporary basis on the project basis, and they'll be lefting the company, right? So
Yes,
I
yes,
have
that is.
I said in that way. You got it right.
Okay,
So
got it.
we'll be working on SAP, and we'll be working there for a temporary, for 6 months or 1 year basis, and that
Yes,
people can be having the tag as a contingent worker. That's what I said.
conditional
Means
work.
is
Yes,
it
yes,
contract
yes.
workers?
Yeah, contract worker,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Contract worker also be
Contract worker.
included in that.
Yeah, yeah,
Third
Yes.
contract
party
worker.
contract.
Third party contract,
Yeah.
right? Like the people who can be on other payroll, like services company
Got
people.
it. Contract
So
only.
they can be also tagged as a contingent worker. So
Hmm.
here there is other tag like a employment status. So if the candidate has been inactive and if he's not even logged into that portal for a long time, so that portal will be shown as a past or inactive. And if he's given is not logging for the long term, that profile will be inactive. So, and this one I have not, and not having any, I mean, I'm having doubt on it. I'm not explaining. And this is about the thing. And country and religion facts also not displayed on the full profile. So right now, and now link on manage my team also. So right now here I think so, guys. There used to be having an I mean tag like a link to this manage to the team. I think right now there'll be an card of the home page, and managers can find to link their all the categories of their team members profile. So, and this is about the update which will happen in the enhancements of data viewing in full profile. And this is about the small theory which have been learned, and I've been said sorry for that miscommunication. Okay.
Good, Rohit. Good one.
Thanks all. Thanks. Thank you.
I have one question. Like I went through this portal, help portal, where it is showing the upgrades 1H, 2H, and the year. So there are future upgrades also I can see in that drop down. So what does it mean? Like how is it already upgrade is there available, but it is not still in the production system, or what it is? The future dates I
Yes,
can see for
still not in the
26.
production system. Production system, as I said, it's for me, the role-based permission, the production system date was on 16th. From 16th, it will gonna reflect. They've done all validation, everything, but they are fine with everything. And that will reflect for us from 16th onwards.
But for next years also they will have this upgrades now only, like in this list. I didn't click on list, but if I click on that year, if I am clicking for any future year 2026, will it show me what will be the upgrade in that year?
Karthik will come
I
online.
just didn't understand this concept.
No, Pooja, sorry, I don't have idea about that. So far, I haven't not gone through that future enhancement, requirement. If
Mm.
I want to understand from the layman perspective, see, it will be under the discussion. Yes, there are see,
Oh,
there are a lot of people, even if you're as if you people are working in a success factor, you will be handling a lot of tickets like incident, change request, every ticket will be there. During that time, you will have an idea about it. If the functionality will be like this, then it will be very easy. Those things will be you can share it with the enhancement to the success factor, and they will discuss with the team, and they can think about that. How many users are seeing this kind of an upgrade. According to that, they will improve. No, they will upgrade into the system. So far, this is what I know. So in future also, there are a lot of things
no, but
under in
see,
their pipeline.
I
And then
open
the
this.
pipe.
Okay, 1H 2026. So in
Mhm.
this, it is in every line, the end sentence is this will be deleted in December 2025 and this will be deleted in 1H. Is there are some maybe previous enhancements which will be deleted in future. Like every line has this thing sentence, it will
Okay.
be deleted
See,
and the date when it will be deleted.
Yes, on
okay.
that date it will be
See,
deleted.
so yeah, because I haven't clicked that particular future-based requirement so far. So as you told, these things are in that box. So which means that, see, then if I am a user, I need a time. So if a success factor intimates that these are the functionalities will be deleted, then obviously if there is any data flow or if there is any data stored in particular those areas, then people will have a backup for that, maybe. So for that particular reason, they are saying that no, this will be deleted on this date. So make them user to alert that have the data in your system. Could be.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm not very sure about that. This is my layman perspective. I'm understanding these things. This could be. By detail, we can check with Kavitha whether this is right or wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
If you see that, na, it's suppose for example, how is it written? Ki the rehire inactive employees page will reach end of maintenance on 16th May and will be deleted on 16th May 2026. Means those will be those developments will be in the system in on 16th May 2025, but in future it will be deleted. So they have mentioned that date also, like how long it will be there. I feel this. I don't know what is this end of maintenance. What does it mean?
Guys, anyone sharing? Pooja, regarding your question, we'll check with Kavitha, Pooja. Because
Mm-hmm.
as far as like when I'm working in recruitment, the same thing. In just there are certain things, there are certain requirements. Will say that it will be end of 16th of May, and you will not see those labeled in the system.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Hmm.
about that functionality, like a rehire and those things. I'm not because if if a success factor is removing some function, but there could be some other function to be replaced or somewhat label
Mm-hmm.
maybe replaced, because I don't think functionality will replace, because here is the important thing, right? So I don't think I want to check completely throughout this description, know what they are saying, and whether no, we have to check on that for the part. Each and every requirement, there are a lot of things are involved in that. So we have to completely go through that, and we have to analyze according. So regarding this end of this maintenance, I'm not very completely
Yeah,
sure
I
like what
I
exactly.
opened that link. So it is like maybe when they are coming up with some upgrade or new feature, they are stopping the previous feature which was
Yes,
available. So end of the maintenance
yes.
is like they are not even going to fix the bugs also. So
Mm-mm,
they are asking to use the new method, like
mm-mm,
alternative
mm-mm,
method might be the new feature only. So
mm-mm, mm-mm.
they are telling ki
Yes,
they are not even going to fix the bugs for that also.
for the legacy ones, right?
And
Yes,
and
that
after
that is
that
also.
and after that that feature will be deleted, and then you have
Yes,
to use the alternate method like that they have given. So
yes,
maybe when they are coming
yes,
up with some new upgrade or new feature, so the old one will not be available.
yes. You're right. Guys, do we present anything? Anyone presenting?
Mhm.
No, right? No.
Patrick, quick, we can do the the presentation today so that tomorrow we'll continue with the Kavitha can continue with the teaching, right? Because we don't have anything now. So why can't we just do the presentation, then tomorrow she can continue with the teaching.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone is okay. Like Can check with Kavitha also because I'm not the one. I cannot take any decision on that.
Yeah.
You can check with Kavitha. Uh,
All right.
I think
That makes
Kavitha is
sense.
sharing this. Yes.
No, Kavita said that if anyone have tomorrow's presentation, they can do today. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
yes, initially she said that. Okay, once we are done with this
Mm-hmm.
discussion, if you are willing to do tomorrow's task today, it's well and good. But
Okay.
Chris, if you are fine, if you are ready with the PPT, you can go ahead now.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
You guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, Chris.
All right. I think my presentation was on the page 35, and this was the exercise that was being given. So configures people's profile, and this was the business scenarios from the book. It says ACE corporations find some of the default labels used in people's profile templates confusing. Some sections, subsections, and blocks are labeled similarly. They would like to change the label of a subsection. So this is what happened. This is what we have to do in order to change the similarities that we have that the client is asking. To change the label, one, we have to change the label of the personal information subsection to my info. We have to change the label of this personal information subsection to my info. Now, this is what we have to do. Navigate to the configuration. Navigate to configure people's profile using action search. Under the personal information section, select the personal information subsection. C, in the right panel, replace the subsection label with my info. Select apply to all language. E, in the confirmation pop-up, select OK, and then F, select save. Use the main navigation menu to go to my employee files, verify the subsection is changed. So this is what we have to do. Now these are the screenshot. The first one, it says goes to the configures people's profile from your home. Go here. Now the other screen, when we get in here on this people's profile, goes to my my information. When you click on my information, it will appear on the right hand, which is my information. Now, so when you click, so on my information, you can change this my information to my info, which I did here, my info. That's why you can see it appears on the left hand side. And now we have to click apply to all languages. And then you click to apply to all languages. You have to save it. You have to save. Now we can do the testing. We have to verify the changes where you go back to your home page, go to employees file, and when you go to employee file, you open it, you go to personal information, and these are the changes. My info. I think that was a simple one. I don't know if any question on this, my people's profile. Any question?
No, Chris.
All right. So let me move to this to page 58, which was one of the requirements that was given by Kavitha. So on this section, I have to modify an effective data record when changes are needed. Okay. So these are like all this information is from the book. A transaction occurs when you change an employee records, for example, to promote or hire an employee. For certain blocks, when the initiator starts the transaction, they must provide a start date for records. The start date can be in the past, present, or future. When the transaction is submitted, it may trigger an approval process, also known as workflow. So effective dating. Many of the records in Employee Central are effectively dated. Each time you insert a new record for one of these items, the system prompts you to provide effective start date. Now, this is the business scenarios from the book. Modify an effective dated record. Business example. So one of the things that I do is I have to replace this gene with this because I couldn't find this person, this user in the system. So I replace it with this. So Roberto address records are incorrect. So this user's address records are incorrect. Our manager has asked the HR to correct the current address. So Roberto will also be using a new address next month and needs the new address added to the system. Her manager, so Roberto manager is Lisa Clark because since I couldn't find this, I used Roberto's, the manager was Lisa. So Lisa would like to verify these changes. This change has been made afterward. Right. So we have to start with this address correction. Log into your instance as an administrator. Navigate to James. So I navigate now to Robert, personal information, address information. Select the clock icon, address history in the address information block. On the right of the screen, choose edit. Make the required update based on the given information. So address correction as of higher date. So I have to go to this Roberto's profile and update the address to add this apartment 24, then save. So these are the screenshots of what I did. All right. Okay. So that goes to Roberto's personal information. Then when I click on this drop-down button, I go to the address and contacts information. Then on the right-hand side, I have to click the clock button. This is the address. This is the old address. I need to do some modification. Now, when I click on this clock, it will take me to this screen where I have to see the edit button. Click on the edit, and then on the address line 2, I add apartment 24. Then save. So when I save, you see that apartment 24 is here. Now, so when I save the changes, this is the result. I have updated the old address by adding apartment 24. Now the next step is, the next step is insert the new address effective next month, meaning that my user, Roberto, change his address from old to the new address. So this is the new address. I need to add this new address that would effectively change next month. So this is what I have to do. Navigate to Roberto personal information address, information history. On the left of the screen, choose insert new records. C, set the effective date. Use the first day of the month. D, insert the record based on the given information, new address, as of the first day of the next month. So this is the new address. It will change from the old address. Then save, close the history window, use the X. So this is just to close the window when it is being changed. Then verify the address change is pending in the address information section. All right, so these are the screenshots for that. All right, I have to go to, I'm going to insert new address effectively next month from Roberto's address, personal information. So go to personal information and then come under insert, come under address and contact information. You click on insert new records. Now you have to go to the date, you choose the effective date of the new address. Choose 1st of June, that is next month. Then this is the new address, the city, and then save. So I have to then proxy. This is Roberto's manager. So this Lisa Clark is Roberto's manager, that she will want to see the new address. So I have to do proxy, and then search Roberto's personal information, and then address change will take effective on, this is the date that I put, 1st of June 2023. So that is the information. Now when I click on this link, it will take me to this screen where you see the old address. This is the new address. This is the new address. And then this is the old address below. And this new address will be effectively the manager can see that it will be effective on the 1st of June. I think that is it for today. So 3. I think any question for this insect for this change of address?
No, Chris, no doubts. After next month, it will show the it will go display the new address which you have updated. For example,
Right.
it's May from June 1st, it will gonna display the new address.
Right.
Yes, got it.
Okay. That is what I have for today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chris.
It was a nice presentation. Hello.
Yes, Kavitha.
Yes, Kavitha.
Bit low. The voice is bit low.
It was nice presentation, Chris.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kavitha.
Ram, right, presented the upgrades and all. Hello.
Kavitha?
Yeah, you have presented upgrades, right?
Yeah, yes. We have done that.
Very nice. Like how we presented to the client. So keep it up. So next, who is presenting? Tomorrow's also you can continue because tomorrow we don't have that much of time for everyone. So if anyone of you completed your presentation, you can give it today itself. So, hello.
Yes, Kavitha. Yes, Kavitha. We are here.
Okay, so anyone prepared for tomorrow's presentation, they can continue.
That's it, Kavitha. Only Chris
Nobody.
presented rest of the. Sorry, Kavitha.
Okay, rest of them you use your time this time to prepare the presentation. So did
Sure.
we miss anyone today? Pooja is there. Okay, Janaki. Rohit.
Janaki
Not
and
today.
Prithvi.
Prithvi. Okay, Pooja, Rohit, Ram, Karthik. You use your time this time to create the presentation. You have almost 30-40 minutes left.
Sure, Kavitha.
Sure, Kavitha.
Chris, if you have any work, you can leave as people only present, not presenting anything. So we'll meet you tomorrow. Guys, what happened? Hello?
Yes, Kavitha.
If nobody want to prepare or nobody want to give the presentation, we can leave the call.
Prepare like we
Tomorrow,
have to share the screen and prepare.
no, you can prepare by yourself only. If anyone want to share, they can share with you.
Because we have to prepare the this also na document of PPT.
Hmm.
So I was just doing it offline, means without sharing screen.
Okay, okay, you can do it. Okay, guys, we can leave the call. Personally, you can prepare the presentation. Tomorrow, no excuses. All of you should present. Without presentations of whatever you have done till now, will not move forward. And if some of them are not presenting, then I will not allow them from the Wednesday class. So please update to Janaki and Prithvi as well. Okay.
Okay, Kavitha.
Fine, Kavitha.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, guys. Good night, guys. Good
Yeah,
morning,
bye.
Good
Chris.
night.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Kavitha,
Hmm. Tell me.
yeah, I want to. Pooja, you can leave.
Okay.
Kavitha, hello.